Little girls kneel at the foot of the bed, rest on their little hands, little gold heads. Hush, hush, whisper who dares. Sydney and Faith are saying their prayers. God bless Mama, I know that's right. And wasn't it fun in the bath tonight? The cold so cold, and the hot so hot. God bless Daddy, I quite forgot. If I open my fingers a little bit more, I can see Grandma's dressing gown on the door. It's a beautiful blue, but it hasn't a hood. God bless Grandma and make her good. Mine has a hood and I lie in bed, and I pull the hood way over my head. I shut my eyes and I curl up small, and nobody knows that I'm there at all. Thank you, God, for a lovely day. And what was the other I had to say? I said, God bless Daddy, now what can it be? Oh, now I remember. It's God bless me. Little girls kneel at the foot of the bed, rests on their little hands, little gold heads. Hush, hush, whisper who dares. Sydney and Faith are saying their prayers. Good night, girls. God bless.